Pinita nalitum afanili VORENG warsai ABIRTA sin nang 1 pig lo lapen kopia VORENG ABIRTA ma lapen kon ana vacancy sidoma kacharli ang deng konan sneng ma labang so details man nalitum labang so video along tek pon long ikpo lapen nalitum jong si latest update kilong versi pulote labang so YouTube channel nalitum subscribe ikon lalo pulote nalitum latest update bangke long pon ikpo lapen Patiek pen non labangso awring warsai putak le chethan polonang lapen lang polonang. Nang non patiek pen lapen requirement board labangke Assam Public Service Commission mate APSC yahin principal PAKLANG poniklo lapen dak apusamen bangke officer lapen director vacancies apos pipon iglo vacancies lapen dak total vacancies bang 10 do lapen salary nalitum 14,000 pen 1,10,000 an long ponikpo job location labangke all Assam lo lapen apply mode laki online se apply ponik nang pon lapen application start bangke dak 1st September 2023 pen sicheng pon lapen last date of apply bangke 5 October 2023 lapen official website nalitum apsc.nic.in labangso a website long humridam iklo pulotin nang litum apply ya links tami mate details links tami nang litum long pon ikpo tangti non klar dak mate details pen dak lang pon nang aprang si nang litum thek pon long ikpo number 1 along bangke director of economics and status labang sodim post ingsido lapen category wise bang vacancies bang you are mate unreserved lapen salaries tame dak 30,000 pen 1,10,000 analitum long pon ikpo lapen GP 16,900 analitum long pon ikpo lapen department bangke transformation and development department lo government of Assam lapen education qualification dak a number along bang at least second class master degree statistics mathematics lapen economics from recognized university pen ki untang abang fu mate abang finang pol lapen degree of recognized university 2 years post training it is statistics labang so training ki untang abang pu abang pinang po lapenda ingson directorate of research degree statistics mathematics and economics is desirable lo lapen b number long kitok do not less than 10 years experience statistics lapen work in investigation da kitok pondo nalitum labang lang ponik dia no lapen puthon number 2 along bangke assistant director of funds tamedak kaduk awe pendak id an apostol la pendak category wise vacancy si thak pon iglo la pen unreserved dak 5 ando la pen OBC dak ingsido la pen SC upon SC la pen ST plans upon 0 la pen ST hills upon ingsido la se dak stamen nalitum jogdun ikmelo salary la dak tami iksen nalitum 30,000 pen 1,10,000 an nalitum long pon ikpo la pen putho dak GP tedulang GP nalitum 13,300 an long pon ikpo la pen department bangkala sonlo directorate of town and country planning Assam under the department of housing and urban affairs apansi labangso a department no lapen ko dak kachar lang deng kenaing bang ke post graduate ki untang nang pola pen ason ison soni dak ko son soni dak ason experience nami dak nang ikpo nalitum lang pon ikon labang ke lapen number 3 long conversation officer dak GR junior 2 labang so post nami dak ingsido daba ke only for the OBC candidate lapen MOBC candidate atum hananchot lapen salary 22,000 per 91 as director 97,000 an nalitum long ponik po department labang ka directorate of archaeology under Assam under indigenous and tribal feed and culture department department pen lo lapen lan education qualification kinai bang dak diploma donang post civil engineering anat lapen age limit bang ke dak 21 penaki kom kali nang po lapen 45 years penaki ong kali nang po lapen citizen bang ke candidate must be Indian citizen nang po lapen article 5 lapen 8 of the constitution of India lapen residency bang ke the candidate must be permanent resident of Assam arlo ke doklung abang fu mate abang fit nang po candidate bang ke lapen number 2 the candidate must produce PRC in Su Assam for educational purpose, employment exchange, registration certificate, voter ID of the candidate or his her parents to the trade as a pro resident along with the application form. application form lang kipidun na nalitum employment exchange lapen education certificate lapen PRC ban nalitum nang iwek po lapen voter ID lapen kapre documents to lang pula nalitum pidun ikmel lapen language kinang sot bangket da son lo SMS Bengali Bodo lapen Karbiang long autonomous council lapen di masa autonomous council along panle jogdun stame labangke nang pon ikpo lapen application fee ban son hello General dapen EWS candidate to mafandak 297.20 pesa an pinangpo. Lapen ST OBC MOBC atung 197.20 pesa. Lapen BPL lapen PWBD candidate tum dak 47.20 pesa application fee pinangpo. Lapen adet bang lason hello amutan nilinali tum hanang than pechini pon iglo adet bang ke starting date bang ke da 1st September 2023 pen cheng pon po last date of online submission bang ke da 30 September lo lapen last date of online submission 2nd October assistant director to mapangal lapen last date of submission online application lapang 5 October bang ke conversation officer atum lapen 30 September bang ke director atum afansi last date lat 30 September 1 September pensi chengpon ikpo lason lo la pen ka apply ni ya process man la ka duka weta chini puta hello apply vera tumbang ke apply ni na itum aprang sila bang sola screen long ke tek pon long a website long dam ignang po da na litum apply registration paprang nang po registration paprang data na fit na litum login nang po la pen kinang so application form along na litum fill up dun ignang po documents amuka documents upload nang po lapen application fee kan anma labang nalitum pinang po lapen kijut sinalitum submit pen labang so application form nalitum screenshot kalite print out igdiat nang po mo apit mate mo aprang nalitum kinang so dia pan no lapen la sonno lapen nalitum labang so article long jong siwang polote nalitum online application form stame dakpen long pon ikpo lapen nalitum labang so advertisement alus stame nalitum dakpen long pon ikpo la sinalitum jong sinang sodi la bang so advertisement alo pulutan nalitum telegram channel na humri ngo hadas time nalitum thekmon long ikpo asipini a video long bani la short information pathek pan nalitum phana than pachini pon bang la ansot la sining hang abang phu abang phitum nalitum kapore du o pul jogdun tame la pen nalitum le jogje pustame ki jogduni tum du tai mene la sik anma la bang so video share un share ko karbiang long rats tame pachini ignang la pen palang ignang la sila son latest update kilong veria panali tum la bangso YouTube channel bangke subscribe ik vek nang po mate subscribe ik det non tang te dumi thak me kaduka ve karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel ong kilang ra do an pans tamin nilin